Hello and welcome to the mixed media inspired unboxing for February 2020. So your kit in February is going to come with the insert sheet that goes over what's inside the box and also gives you an exclusive discount code to the store. Then there's a set of 8x8 stencils featuring these two different designs. A Dilutions Diary glue stick. Now this is a really high quality glue stick that you could use to glue down any kind of paper collage. It also is going to work for the Gilding Flakes we'll get to in a minute here. Then there's a bunch of playing cards. Now these playing cards have butterflies and flowers on the decorative side, and then just your regular playing card faces on the back. Now you could use either side, either the decorative side or the playing card, so it gives you some variety for collaging and even working directly onto the playing cards. Then there are two different colors of Gilding Flakes. Now as I mentioned before, these are going to work really well with the glue stick to put onto your pages and add that little bit of metallic sheen. Now they're loose Gilding Flakes in there, so you can have a large area or a small area with those flakes to add that metallic. Then finally there is a set of texture effect paste in three different colors: purple, teal, and light blue. You can use them together or separately, and there's lots of different techniques that we can do with these as well. I can't wait to see what you're going to create with these products. If you'd like to learn more about the Mixed Media Inspired subscription, check out in the description below. I'll put a link. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any future videos.